Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I built this incredible go-kart with my team in an engineering class, and today I'm gonna take it for a spin and show you its quirks and features. So let's go. When I was building this go-kart, I made a lot of mistakes and I learned from them, and it was really interesting and fun process. I got this car to go 21 miles per hour at a top speed. Took it for many test runs. We'll do it again today, and right now I'll show you how it all works and what was the process when we were building this go-kart. Let's start with the motor right here. So the motor right here is mounted in the back. We initially wanted to mount it more in the middle, right here. We even made a space for it, but then we had to move it because the chain was too long and it kept slipping. So we looked at other teammates' cars and we decided to mount it closer to the axle right here. So now it's really close and the chain doesn't skip as much. Then we also have brakes right here. We made a couple mistakes with the brakes. Then we first put it in the incorrect spot. We moved it back here. Let's talk about the front as well. Alright, so as you can see on the front, it has the speedometer, volts, amps, all the information about the batteries, their charge and everything. And it has a phone mount as well, so you can track your speed at what you're going. Initially we had the issue with this being mounted way too close to the frame, so they would barely move. I made a couple improvements to make more of a turn radius on this go-kart. So yeah, now the turning radius is pretty good. You can do some turning. The brakes are pretty good too nowadays, so do like some drifting a little bit. I'll show you that later. Alright, so I'm gonna do some test runs. I got the GoPro on me, so you'll see the view from here, and let's do it. Oh yeah, it does have reverse, by the way. It's actually kind of scary. Like, I have a camera on me, and it's kind of scary to like drive it and have the camera like filming. All right, it goes pretty fast. Let's do one more spin.
Going off-road, I see.
Yeah, a little off-roading. It's not as good on the off-road just because center of mass is so low on this car. It's like really low. So yeah.
Good trip.
That's a little scary. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. This was fun. Oh my god. It's a little scary, you know, but if the speed actually feels more, it feels scarier and faster than it really is, just because like you can really feel the vibration, like how low it is to the ground compared to like a normal car.